If you have ever wanted complete control over how your emails look, think like pixel perfect and built exactly to your spec, then the custom HTML editor is for you. Let's get into it. From your dashboard, head over to campaigns. Then we are going to hit create campaign. Go ahead and choose your campaign type. Let's go for regular for this demonstration. And then we're going to hit start from scratch. Now, when the editor options come up, go ahead and choose custom HTML editor. And then from here, once the builder loads, you'll get 3 options: generate with AI, import HTML, or code from scratch. The generate option uses an AI agent. To put it bluntly, you'd use this option if you want a solid starting point without actually writing a single line of code. You describe what you want in plain English, like create a promotional email for our summer sale, and it builds out a structured email layout for you. You can then refine it conversationally, like asking it to change the layout, use a stronger call to action, and add a buy button at the top of the email, for example. Just whatever you need. You get a coding assistant, but you also get to stay in control of the final result. You can also choose to start with the agent and then hop over to the code tab to further customize your email from there. Keep in mind that the AI can't generate images, pull in live web content, or add things like countdown timers. But for structure and copy, it's got you covered. If you've already got an HTML template built, maybe from your design team or from a previous tool that you've used, choose Import HTML Code. You can drag your zip file here or click this button to upload it. And then you can further customize it from there. If you want full control from line 1, choose Code from Scratch. The editor opens blank, and then you type in or paste your HTML directly, and then you'll get a live preview of updates on the left as you go. If you have any images that you want to insert into your email, head over to the File Manager, and then copy the URL for the image you want to use, and then you can add that into your code. Over in the left sidebar, you'll find fields and variables. This is where you add personalization to your code, things like name, email address, or any custom fields that you have set up. First, select the dropdown, find the field that you want, select copy, and then paste it directly into your HTML. You'll also find link variables here. That's going to be things like your unsubscribe link, a web version link, and a forward to a friend link. The unsubscribe link is mandatory, so make sure that's in there. If you try to finalize your design without one, the system will prompt you to add it. When you save your email, MailerLite automatically converts your CSS into inline styles. You don't have to do anything. It just means that your email renders consistently across different email clients that might otherwise strip out your styles. It happens in the background automatically. Lastly, if your code starts to look messy after a long day of typing, then hit the Beautify button and it'll clean it up for you. And if you need to undo something or roll back to an earlier version, click on the undo icon or go into version history and restore to a previously saved version. Once you're done, hit Done Editing. And that's the custom HTML editor. If you want complete control over your campaigns, then this is the tool for you. Whether you're coding from scratch, importing a template, or starting with AI and finishing it yourself. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and remember to subscribe for more of the best tips in email marketing. I'll see you in the next one.